everybody. Today we have got a DrapeFit unboxing. I am always so excited when this comes in my mailbox. Like, the quality and affordability of this box simply blows my mind. I do not know how they do it, but they definitely do it because the proof is in this box. They offer women's, men's, and children's monthly subscriptions. I'll put the link down below so you can check them out. I'll also put a discount code down there so that you can save a little money off of your box. But let's get into my box and see what they sent me for this month. You open it up and this is what it looks like. It is so nicely packed. I love their presentation. They always go like over and beyond for a great presentation. That's just so beautifully packed. I love that. And right on top, as you saw, is your DrapeFit envelope. And this envelope has all the important information in it. It's got your list of items that are in your box. It has your note from your stylist, which is my favorite part of it. You get a personal stylist. And you also get a little card with all the information on it on how to contact them and a little more about the company itself. So I really love that about it. And then we're just going to open up this right here, and this is our price list. I'm not going to look at that quite yet. We'll look at that at the end. That has all the prices and descriptions of your items on it. We're going to go ahead and read my note from my stylist. It says, "I'm Paulette, your DrapeFit stylist. I chose the ruffle print top, the workshop two-tone polka dot top, and the leopard ruffle sleeve top." That sounds so good. Okay. "These all pair with the brown YMI Hyper Stretch jeans from your fit box. You need to try this time the lapis long sleeve maxi cocktail dress, perfect for weekend evening outings. Hope you will love all of these looks. Please don't forget to share your pics on social media and tag us #DrapeFit or email us. Please let me know what all summer to fall traditional styles you're looking for your next fit box. Have a stylish day. XOXO, Paulette." Yes, we are in the beginning of fall now, but it is still 90 degrees here where I'm at. And it's going to be for probably the next 2 or 3 weeks. So I really need things that I can wear now, but will transition really well into the fall season. So let's get into it and see what they say. Okay, right here on top we have that polka dot top with the ruffle sleeves. This is by the brand The Workshop. I absolutely love this. This is really pretty. You could very easily dress this up or dress this down. I love the V-neck on here. I don't know what it is, but I like V-necks, but I just like it better than the rounded. So I don't know, it just looks classier to me. But it's got brown and black dots on it. So you could wear this with brown or black pants or even jeans. It's a lightweight, so it's going to be perfect for right now, but you could very easily layer this, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for layering pieces, and this is perfect for that. Okay, then we have these YMI mid-rise skinny brown jeans. Oh my goodness, these are going to be comfortable. I can already tell. It says it's a forever color, so it's not going to fade. I absolutely love this. It's got some stretch to it, which is really important to me. Like, I like a little bit of stretch in my clothes, just because I'm pretty curvy, but it just helps everything fit better. And I think these are going to be perfect because they have the perfect amount of stretch in it, it feels like. But you don't lose your structure. That's why I don't like too much stretch, because then it just looks like leggings, and you're not trying to look like you have leggings on when you have pants, like pants or jeans on. So, but I think this is going to be the perfect combination of that, and I love this brown color. This brown color is going to be absolutely perfect for this fall. I can already see it with some heels or boots. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to style these. We have this ruffled top. It looks like it has lemons on it, mangoes, I don't know, some kind of fruit, some kind of yellow fruit. but it's very colorful. I'm very happy. It is by the brand THML, and it looks like it is a light fabric as well, and I feel like that would be a good transition piece because you can always throw a jean jacket or a cardigan with this. And then we have a leopard print top. This is a long top. So, is it a top or is it a dress? I think it's a top. Okay, it's just a very long top, so you could always belt it or something for some dimension. And it has leopard print ruffles on it, and these will look good with those jeans as well. You could very easily put a little gold chain belt with this and with those pants and some little gold heels and look like a classy fall outfit. And it's also like that spandexy lightweight material. Okay, and then this is the dress they were talking about. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness gosh. Okay, this is such a pretty fall color. If you have a semi-formal event, this would be perfect. Oh my gosh. I love how it gathers in the middle there. Oh my goodness. It's like red carpet ready. It just is. Oh my gosh. And it's a thicker fabric. It's not super thin. So again, perfect for fall. You could throw some heels on with this and some big pretty statement jewelry and be a statement, like a whole statement, because this is going to grab everyone's attention in the room. Okay, so that's everything in my box. I'm gonna try it all on, and so we can see what we think, because trying it all on is the key. Don't just look at something and be like, oh, I don't like that, because you can put it on and it can completely change your mind. So try on everything that comes in your box. That is my absolute key tip, because you could be missing out on an amazing item just because you didn't try it on. So let's do that now. Let's try all of these items on. Okay, here's the first outfit, and Paulette knew what she was doing when she picked this one out. This is a perfect fall outfit, even if it's a little warm outside, because you have the short sleeves. It's a lighter fabric. So this is adorable. I love this. The top has got those little polka dots on it, and it looks like a button-up, but it's not. So you've got this V-neck, the ruffles on the sleeves. Such a cute little detail. And these pants are so comfortable. Like, they are just the perfect amount of stretch, and like I still can stretch some more if I needed to, but it is so comfortable. It is a skinny leg, and I'm normally not a fan of skinny leg jeans, but it's not super tight at the ankle. You see how it is skinny through here, but it loosens up through the calf. So I really love that about it. So it's a skinny jean without being a super skinny jean. And you cannot beat the comfort or the color on these, because this is such a perfect fall color that would go with so many fall tops. So cute. Okay, I don't feel like this top flatters me very well, but it is a very cute top. So I feel like for the right person, this would be so cute. Like I said, you've got the little fruits on here and the ruffles. Like, the ruffles are ruffling, okay? And I have some friends that really, really love ruffles, so this would be really, really pretty. It is. It's just pretty and dainty, and it's just given that, like, southern charm. So I like this top. I just don't know that it's my personality. Fits really well. It is a lighter fabric that will transition really great into fall. You could always throw a little denim jacket or cardigan over this. Okay, here we are with the little leopard ruffle shirt here. I like it. I think it would look a lot cuter, like tucked in with a belt. That would be really cute, and you could also wear it long and just put a belt up here. But yeah, I think tucked in is the way to go with this one. It's just, and you could put a black belt with like a gold buckle on it, and I think that would be really cute. It is extremely comfortable. I love the leopard ruffles. Is that not just absolutely adorable? I love that. That is so cute. And now that I've tucked it in, I love it even more. So I think this is the way I'm going to wear this top because it is cute. I love the ruffles. I love how lightweight it is. It's going to be a great transition piece. To be so cute with some boots. I love it. I think it's adorable. But definitely tucked in for me. It doesn't help that I'm 5'1". I'm really short. So, I mean, it's just going to be a little longer on me anyways. But overall, love this shirt. And I can't wait to style it. This one's really, really cute. I absolutely love the little leopard print ruffle detail. Oh my goodness. Like, I look like the little golden lady on top of the trophies and stuff. Like, it is definitely a golden moment. I love the way it fits my shape. It fits really, really well the way it gathers here. And it's beautiful. It is such a good quality fabric. If I was going somewhere, I mean, if I had an event to wear this to, this would be a total win. Like, it is absolutely gorgeous. This would even make fantastic, beautiful pictures, like in the like a fall backdrop. Can't you see it now? Like, find a really pretty field with the pretty fall color trees in the back and everything, like little leaves scattered around you, and like, yeah, like a total photographic moment there with this dress. That could be so cute. I love it. This is such a pretty color too. And I don't know that you can see it, but it's got a little bit of like a glitter to it, a glitter and a shine. So you actually literally are catching the light as like you walk through the room. So such a beautiful dress, and it fits perfectly. Okay, so those were such a fall vibe. I can totally see those working great this season. Let's go over prices. The polka dot top is $26.99. The shirt with the leopard ruffles is $28.75. The top with the big ruffles and the yellow fruit on it is $30. And the long cocktail dress is $27.99. And the brown jeans are $28.50. So that gives you a total of $142.23. And let's get real here. If you go in any store, you're going to pay way more than that for 5 items, because, especially of that quality, because it's just like that now. But DrapeFit is doing us a favor. They're going out and they're getting these at amazing prices and sending them straight to our door. So they make it really easy. But what is even better about that is if you decide to keep everything in your box, they give you a 25% off discount. So if I kept everything in this box, instead of the $142.23, it would cost me $116.77. So an even better deal if you keep everything. So thank you so much, guys, for trying on these clothes with me. DrapeFit is such an amazing clothing subscription. If you haven't tried them already, you should. And I will put all the information down below for you to do that and start getting your own DrapeFit boxes straight to your door. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me some love in the comments. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so I can see you in the next video. Bye.